you, YouTube? It's just Jane back with just another video. Let's get to know sis a little better because I'm trying to really push on content. 1, 2, 3, Q&A, let's get it. I have a few questions about YouTube first. Is YouTube still a priority? Yes, YouTube is still definitely a priority to me. I love YouTube so much. I know I don't always show that it's a priority, and for that I'm sorry, but I promise you it is, even if it doesn't look like it. Do you think you can make it on YouTube? I want to say maybe. It's not impossible, but it's really hard. YouTube has definitely changed from the 2014 time to the time now. It's more of a business now, and people really don't understand that. A lot of people think it's just post a video, get lucky, get famous, make money, all of that, but it's definitely a lot more than that. There's definitely a creative entertainment side to YouTube, but with that you also have to know and understand the business side of YouTube as well, which with a platform like this, since it's social media, it is changing every day. What worked 2 days ago might not work today. I think there is still a possibility I could make it on YouTube. I just know if I want to, I'm gonna have to work a lot harder than I did way back in the day, and I'm gonna have to study more and more of the new algorithm, what works, what doesn't, and I just have to put more work, effort, and study time into this if I want to still make it on here. How long have you been doing YouTube, and do you ever plan on stopping? So my very first YouTube channel was born in 2011. Of course, I ended up deleting that one, and I did that with some friends, but my solo YouTube channel started in 2014, and I've been doing it ever since. In fact, my 5-year anniversary is coming up, and I want to do something really special for that because YouTube has been such a journey, and I still got a long way to go. Do I ever plan on stopping? No, stopping is not in my vocabulary. Do I happen to slow down a lot on YouTube? Yes, I do, but do I ever see myself stopping? As of now, the answer is no. I don't know what the future holds, but I couldn't see myself stopping 5 years ago, and I don't see myself stopping now. What do you want to do when you grow up? I want to be a talent manager for social media influencers of all sizes, so you don't have to be 1 million and famous for me to want to manage you. I don't mind managing somebody my size. I don't care. I just really want to help people grow their social media influence regardless of their size. I used to have a talent manager who did that for me. It was really nice, and it made me feel special, and if I can help other people deal with that and save them a lot of stuff that I had to go through without a talent manager, I would absolutely love to do that. And on top of that, I would love to freelance it. I would love to have it be my own little business, but if not, I wouldn't mind working for a YouTube multi-channel network. Would you rather have to drop out and leave OCU or never eat ice cream ever again? Well, joke's on you because I am actually not an ice cream girl. I'm not really that much of a fan. From time to time I might eat it, but definitely never eat ice cream again because I would much rather stay at OCU, and who needs ice cream anyways? What made you want to go into the media industry? Entertainment is a passion. I feel like I'm a very entertaining person, but I don't just want to entertain somebody in my community, somebody I see every day. I want to be able to entertain as many people as possible from any place, anywhere, to be able to be that entertainment factor and that escape from reality for someone else, just like media has been for me. Regardless if I'm in front of the camera or behind the camera, as long as I'm doing what I need to do to make sure that somebody is happy and being entertained, I am doing my job right. What encourages you? Honestly, people, my friends, my family, everybody. What do you think had a big impact / molded you into the person you are today? Definitely everything. I mean, my family, my friends, the media, society, myself, everything that's gone socially wrong, everything that's gone socially right, everything I've watched on television, on YouTube, conversations I've had, the way I was raised, literally everything just has played a tremendous part in who I am. Your thoughts on today's society topic in general? I think our society has become a lot less black and white and has become more of a gray area, which makes some things easier and it makes some things harder. I think we're a lot more dependent on technology in everything that we do because technology doesn't go back, it goes forward. So the more and more technology we're getting, the more and more dependent we become on it in everything that we do. I think our society is pushing new leaps and bounds for sure. I don't ever think society will be perfect because we all make up society and we're not perfect. I definitely think that we are progressing and regressing all at the same time. Society is that place that makes you feel crazy or not normal, but then it's also that same place that shows you a million other people are feeling the same way you are. So society is really deadly, but it also saves lives. What do most people get wrong about you till they get to know you? I think something that people get wrong about me until they get to know me is 1, I'm super stuck up, and then 2, my personality is an act. This is fake. I'm not real. What is this? It's a facade. But then you actually get to know me and then you're like, no, okay, this girl is not joking, she's not playing, this is real, I'm not a character, I'm a real life person who literally acts the way I do. What do you know how to cook / what is your comfort food? I know how to cook eggs, I know how to cook macaroni and spaghetti, pasta, and my comfort food is in fact pasta, macaroni, spaghetti, stuff like that. What shows do you like to watch? Okay, you really want to get me started on this one. Okay. My list is so long, I could go on all day, but definitely my overall favorite TV show of all time is Bad Girls Club. And then of course The Vampire Diaries, loved that. I also love Love and Hip Hop, Basketball Wives, Empire, Star, and I can't remember what else, but that's what I can think of at the top of my head. Is there any businesses you don't support? Don't necessarily support, I want to say no, but I really don't like Chipotle. Chipotle and Jack in the Box are 2 places I refuse to ever eat at. No shade, no harm to them. If you like those places, that's amazing, just my personal opinion. But it's not like I don't support them, but like, yeah, you will never catch me there. Oh God. Thoughts on teenage pregnancy? Teenage pregnancy isn't something I necessarily agree with, but it's not something I'm going to shame you for, shun you for, or unfriend you for. If you feel like you are ready to have a child at whatever age, hey girl, I will support you. And it's not my life, it's yours, and you need to live it the way you want to. Favorite season? My favorite season is spring. I was born in spring, and it's also not too hot, not too cold, just right. Spring is really cute. Dogs or cats? Definitely dogs, but like small dogs. Anyways, those are all the questions that I have gotten for this time around. Thank you if you participated. I really appreciate it. 1, 2, 3, peace.